Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a voice effect to the CapCut recorded voiceover. So here, I'm going to show you how to first record the voiceover. Click on audio and then click on the record button. And here, click on this blue microphone to start recording. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so I've already recorded the voiceover. So what you need to do to add the voice effect is click on the voiceover that you've done, and then you'll see voiceover menu at the bottom. Voice effect, and then you can just choose the voice effect that you want. So there are lots of section that you can choose: basic, funny, scene, retro, and speech to song. So you can turn actually your speech to song here. Okay, so but at least it at least have to be 5 seconds long. So I'm going to just use the basic and then choose the, let's try the mic hog. Okay, I'm going to mute the video first. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so that's the voice effect that I added. You can also add another, for example, this chipmunk voice.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.